So check it out. I've added another Lionel behemoth to my post-war collection. I had the 2025, so I thought I'd try a 2035, which the 2035 is pretty basically the same locomotive, except this one has magna-traction, which, as heavy as they are, the added magna-traction makes them pretty much unstoppable. This one, the $29 price seemed to fade pretty quickly, though, when I started getting into some problems with it. One of them being that the center driver, the gearing on it, you can't see it unless you have a magnifying glass. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not. But there's several teeth that are in pretty bad shape, about 5 or 6 of them, and I was able to spin around in there. So a good friend of mine sent me some parts. He also sent me a new faceplate because this one had a broken, one of the broken marker holders. And also the rear coupler was in bad shape, so he sent me the whole truck with the tab coupler and all. So I got it running. I got the, I'd never pulled a wheel on a Lionel locomotive. It's a little more difficult. They use a lot stronger steel than Mark's did. But I was able to punch it out and get the new one in. Got it in pretty straight, too. And so it runs pretty good, so we're going to take it for a spin. And it also, another, my post-war locomotives, the 2037, will be pulling my 20th Century Limited. So here we go. We'll take it for a spin. And it works really well. Of course, I have my Rail Sounds tender that I really like. Just gives added life to these old post-war locomotives. Okay, so they both run great. I'm really happy with them. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.